The shift to virtual work didn't just change where we communicate, it redefined how meaning travels between languages, cultures, and screens. In multilingual environments, technology is no longer a neutral channel. It acts as a silent co-communicator, amplifying tone, emotion, and understanding when used well, or distorting nuance when handled carelessly. Virtual communication tools, video conferencing platforms, instant messaging apps, and AI-powered translators enable people to cross linguistic and cultural boundaries in real time. Yet the same tools also compress context, tone flattens, pauses vanish, gestures are half seen, and the rich cues of in-person multilingual exchange fade to pixels. Meaning then depends on how well participants use these tools with awareness of their linguistic and cultural layers. For multilingual professionals, tech offers 3 amplifiers of meaning: visual framing, camera angle, lighting, and even background subtly shape perceived confidence, authority, and openness. In intercultural exchanges, these cues often outweigh vocabulary choice. Digital tone. Emojis, punctuation, and timing become carriers of empathy and intent. Misused, they blur messages; mastered, they build connection. AI and translation tools. Real-time captions and multilingual interfaces bridge comprehension gaps, but they also risk flattening idiomatic or emotional nuance. The best communicators use them as aids, not crutches. Silence in virtual meetings speaks louder than most realize. In multilingual settings, a pause can mean processing language, showing respect, or quietly disagreeing. Yet technology often treats silence as awkward, a sign of lost connection or low engagement. Participants rush to fill it, fearing disinterest. In truth, digital silence often reflects cognitive translation time, people interpreting tone, weighing phrasing, or finding culturally appropriate responses. Skilled facilitators learn to hold that space. They signal patience, acknowledge reflective moments, and resist the urge to jump in. In doing so, they turn silence from a gap into a bridge, one where deeper understanding can surface. The deeper skill is metacommunication, noticing how meaning shifts across linguistic filters and platform constraints. Technology can amplify connection only when communicators stay alert to the cultural signals that algorithms overlook: humor, hierarchy, irony, silence. As virtual collaboration becomes the norm, multilingual professionals who blend human awareness with digital literacy will carry the advantage. They don't just translate words. They translate presence.